Okay, guys. Hopefully you can get a bit of help here. I've got this XV750 Loom. It's a 95 Loom. It came with this engine, which is in this bike that I'm building on the. It's up on the Virago Tech forum. So it's a Gen 2 engine in a Gen 1 frame with Gen 2 wheels, Gen 2 front end. Not using those handlebars. So just getting to the point of putting the Loom in, which came with the engine, along with lots of other bits and pieces. But I got a couple of wires, I don't know what they are, and hopefully someone can enlighten me as to what they are. So we're at the top end here, we've got the indicators and the controls, they're all plugged in, everything's plugged in, headlight goes in there obviously. So we've got this here, this is the first wires, I don't know what they are. They're a pair of blacks, they're spade fittings, and they're up near the headstock. So there's those. There's also a similar pair, just like that, about 8 inches down, just here, and they're coming out roughly where the coil wires are coming out. You see better there. Across the other side, you've got another funny set of wires. I know what they are. They're for the heaters, carburetor heaters, and the thermo switch, which fits on there. These go onto the carbs, I'm pretty sure that's correct. But yeah, I don't know what these are for. So I'm hoping someone can help me. I don't seem to have a pair of horn wires, and I wonder if they're for the horn, and maybe they're for the horn, I don't know. Maybe it's an air horn on this bike, I don't know. But in the manual, if you go to the wiring diagram here, horns are normally pink and brown, and I'm going off XV750 92 onwards UK model. There's a lot of other things don't match up either. I mean, for instance, on the this big relay unit, I'd like someone to tell me what that does. Does it do everything? I presume it must do everything because it's got so many wires going into it. It's got 9 wires going into that, and the colours don't all match the book. And the book has only got 5 wires going into it. You can see there. And they're not the same colour as the wires going in there. Some of them are. It does almost match the relay unit for the XV1000, 1100, 86 to 95 UK models. It almost matches, but not quite. The colours aren't the same. But the other thing I don't know what it is this starter relay. I don't know where that is. I don't seem to have any spare wires for it. I don't know whether it's built into that unit or what. There's another one, what they call it, a starter relay on the XV1000. But on the 750, I haven't got any wires. So I'm just wondering if they're all built into that thing, because I got this out. This is a spare solenoid, well, what I would call a starter relay, off the 750, and I've actually got one in the TR1 that I'm building here. There's actually one in that because I'm using a different Loom, but yeah, I don't know how this thing works starter-wise. If someone can tell me, that would be fantastic, because then I can get on and get the Loom put in the bike and get this beast working. Should be quite a good bike. Anyway, cheers guys. Ta.